Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Elements, all of the items that you add and manipulate are stored in layers. A layer is like a transparent sheet on which the images are placed and edited. Where there is no image or content within a layer, it is transparent, allowing you to see through it to the content below. You can stack several layers on top of one another to separate the various individual image elements of a larger image file. This way, you can manipulate the contents of a single layer without disturbing the content contained in the other layers. In this chapter, you will examine how you can create and edit the layers and their contents to produce various effects in your image files. Understanding and using layers is one of the most critical aspects of being an effective user of Elements. Whenever you create a new image file in Elements that has a white or colored background, the bottommost layer is called the background layer. An image file can only have one background layer at most. You cannot change the placement of the background layer within the layer stack, its opacity, or its blending mode. However, you can convert this layer into a normal layer. If you create a new image with a transparent background, then the image file does not have a background layer. The bottommost layer is not constrained in the way that the standard background layer is. So you can move its position in the layer stack, change its opacity, and even change its blending mode. You use the Layers panel to manage your layers within the selected image file. You can display the Layers panel if it isn't displayed by selecting Window and Layers from the menu bar. In the Layers panel, you will see the various layers in the current image file displayed in a list. As with the other panels that you have seen, this panel has an Options button in the upper right corner that you can click to view the options for the panel in a pop-up menu. Let's take a moment to examine the Layer panel's features before using it. In the Layers panel, you can see the individual layers. Each layer consists of different items that let you know the status of the layer. At the far left is the eye symbol that indicates layer visibility. Next to that is the Link Layers or Unlink Layers icon, shown by a chain link symbol. To the right of that is the layer thumbnail. Next is the layer name. At the top of the layer panel, you can see the blending mode and the opacity of the current layer. At the very top of the layer panel, you can see a toolbar with several buttons. At left is the New Layer button. To the right of that is the New Filler Adjustment Layer button. To the right of that is the Add Layer Mask button. To the right of that is the Lock All Pixels button. That's followed by the Lock Transparent Pixels button, and then followed by the Delete Layer button. In the upper right corner of the Layers panel, you'll see the Layer Options button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.